the wisdom of the Vedas has been a guiding force for generations. Among those who dedicated their lives to preserving and sharing this sacred knowledge was the late Sri C. Lakshmi Narayanan. After retiring from government service as a Tahsildar, dedicated himself entirely to social service and the enrichment of religious literature. He was an active contributor to many organizations. He has deeply involved himself in the study of the Vedas, Shastras, and Puranas, choosing the noble path of literary creation. His dedication has resulted in the publication of more than 52 books, all of which have been widely praised for their depth and authenticity. His works stand as a legacy to his unwavering commitment to making Vedic rituals accessible to all, ensuring that tradition thrives in both understanding and practice. It is with great honor and devotion that we present this effort to carry forward his legacy, hoping that his teachings continue to enlighten and inspire those seeking the path of righteousness. His works remain in great demand, a testament to their invaluable contribution to Vedic knowledge. Unlike many traditional scholars, he was not a priest by profession, yet he meticulously composed numerous texts to help people perform puja rituals with accuracy and devotion. What makes his works truly special is the way they go beyond theoretical knowledge. Each book includes clear explanations, practical implementation, methods, and guidance to ensure that everyone, regardless of their background, can understand and practice rituals correctly. His disciplined approach to writing, his beautiful handwriting, and his unwavering commitment to preserving tradition make his books treasures for generations to come. The beautiful illustrations in these books were all created by his son, Sri L. Nagendra Prasad. We, as his family, take immense pride in his legacy. We have witnessed firsthand the dedication and perseverance with which he wrote each book, ensuring that the wisdom of our scriptures is accessible to all. It is an honor to continue his mission by spreading his vast ocean of knowledge, ensuring that future generations stay connected to their roots. Though it is impossible to match his depth of wisdom, this humble effort is our tribute to his lifelong work. Even today, we faithfully follow his books in performing rituals, and we hope this tradition continues for generations to come. With modern technology, we now have the opportunity to reach even more people who seek authentic guidance. May the grace of God help us in this endeavor, allowing Sri C. Lakshmi Narayanan's teachings to inspire and guide those in need just as they have for us. His books are truly precious assets, and it is our sincere hope that they continue to enlighten the path of Dharma for all. Namaste.